Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Febriana Putri Intania and my name 19B505031054. I'm going to make a noodles omelette. Guys, previously, what it was a noodles omelette? Okay, I want to tell you something about noodles omelette. Omelette noodles is a food made from second noodles with egg and ate with toppings according to the taste. This food is very suitable as a complement to accompanying your relaxing time while watching a movie, and is also suitable to be served as a snack when gathering with friends, family, or boyfriend or your girlfriend. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make it! Okay guys, to make this noodle omelette, the tools you will need are Teflon, knives, cutting board, filters, bowl and plates, spatula and forks, and then pots. Then the ingredients to be used are 500 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half teaspoon of flavoring, chili sauce, 1 piece of instant noodles, 2 eggs, 5 cayenne pepper, 1 beef meatball, 1 meatball shrimp, 1 piece sausage, and 1 fish ball. First, prepare the materials and tools that have been provided. Then, prepare a pot filled with 500 ml of water. Boil the water until it boils over medium heat. After the water is boiling, don't forget to enter the instant noodles. Then, while waiting for the instant noodles to cook, cut 1 piece sausage, 1 beef meatball, 1 fish meatball, 1 shrimp meatball, and don't forget slice 5 cayenne pepper. After cut all the toppings, put it in a bowl and cook. Remove and drain the instant noodles using filters. Then, enter the instant noodles into a bowl that already contains complementary pieces. Put the instant noodles seasoning and 2 eggs in a bowl. Then, to add flavor, add half teaspoon of flavoring. Stir all the ingredients using a fork. Set the Teflon on the stove and turn it on to medium heat. Then, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil into Teflon and heat it. After the oil is hot, add all the ingredients that have been stirred evenly. Spread the ingredients over the Teflon and cook on low heat. Cook for 15 minutes and don't forget to flip it over with a spatula. After it is cooked, remove it and place it on a cutting board. Then cut it according to taste. Then arrange the noodle omelette on the plate. And then the omelette noodles are ready to be served with chili sauce to complement this. Yay! Now, already guys, it's not easy, right? The way to make it, don't forget to try this recipe at home guys, while accompanying the shows during this pandemic. Okay, good luck friends. That's all for the video tutorial for me. Wait for me on the next recipe, more or less
Please, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, see you.